silly, but you have to be a happy girl. So look at my mini, everybody. Okay. Okay, bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. See you later. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video I'm so excited for. I know I say that every time, but this one I'm like extra excited for. I have a new addition to our office, and you can see it back here. We've had the materials to make this pegboard for months now, and we finally got around to making it last weekend, and we filmed the process for you, and so that is the video for you guys today. I'm so excited. I love how it turned out. I've been wanting one of these for forever, so I'm super excited about it. It looks so great in our office. Just like brings the space to life. I think we spent for sure under $40 to make this, which I think is a great deal. So yeah, if you're interested in seeing how we made this giant pegboard shelf thing, then keep watching. Okay, so this is our main board for the pegboard. And when we went to the hardware store, it was actually quite a bit bigger than this, but we had it cut down to 6 by 3. And then with the leftover wood, we actually used that to make our shelves. So that was really great. We just bought one piece of wood, but we could use it for pretty much everything that we need to make this project. So the first thing that you want to do on your board is measure out where you want your peg holes to be. And this is a personal preference thing. Some people like it when they're more spaced out. I personally wanted them to be kind of closer together, so that's how I measured my holes. And this is a little bit time consuming, so I've already done it just so I can show you. But you want these to be super accurate. You want them to be completely even, horizontal and vertically going down your board. So if you like the distance of my pegs, I started about 3 inches on the side, and then they're 5 inches spaced out between each hole. So that's how I measured my board, and then we're just going to drill the holes. And one thing to note when you're drilling is you need to make sure that you're holding the drill at exactly a 90-degree angle, or else your pegs won't stick in perfectly straight. And that's important because you want your shelves to be straight. You're also going to need some wooden dowels to use as your pegs, and depending on what size you want your pegs to be is what size of dowels to get. We got 3/4 of an inch, and so that's the size of the drill bit that we are going to use to drill the holes to, so that these will fit in our holes. So after drilling all the holes, the back side of the board is going to be very splintery. So we're just going to sand both sides of our pegboard. We also cut our dowels to the size of pegs we wanted, and we're just going to sand those. And then I'm just placing them in the board where I think I want the shelves to be. The good thing about a pegboard is you can always rearrange them, but I'm just organizing them how I would like it right now. So to make the shelves, we just have our planks of wood. I put my dowels in where I wanted them, and then I'm just going to measure out where to cut the planks. And then we just used a saw to cut on the line and make our shelves. Hi, everybody. That is it for this video. I hope you guys liked it. Hopefully you could see everything clearly. It was kind of hard to film just because we were working with such a massive piece of wood. So if you have any questions about it, feel free to leave them in the comments. Give the video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. And I will see you next time. Love you guys. Bye.